going to come across is Ballarat. So we just found a little bakery down the side street. Class Kitchen Bakery. Let's go and get a pie, Chris. Picnic area, not actually campground. Camp around where the toilet is there. I can find somewhere where there's a fire pit. Well, there's one there, but it's fucking right in the middle of the dark. Campground for the night. We're going to set up our tents right over here. I think you're in trouble there, Chris. I think your ground sheet shrunk. You got the wrong ground sheet. Is it? Alright, so this time... Oh, I just took an apple. This time I have packed my bike with my tent poles are in the pipe. Alright, this is my bed setup. I have this little stretcher, cheap blow up air pad, Now I've got my MacPack sleeping bag, which was not a cheap one, but it's a bit disappointing because it is still not that warm. It's a 600 loft. What I'm going to do is, I've got another sleeping bag here. I'm going to put this one inside another sleeping bag. I'm going to make sure I don't freeze tonight.
So you should have come here.
Might just make a fire anyway.
More flexibility, but normally they're easy.
It'll take forever.
I found I can't have it for a while.
Oops, I moved the table.
Go the kids' teeth out in it. Shit. Roll back in the water. It'll get me. Those cups hold shitloads.
Oh, you got a huge cup. That's enough. Yep. Alright, we are just going for a walk up to Melville Caves. They assure us it's not very far, but we shall see. Alright, so here we are, Melville Caves, look out.
That old.
Holy shit. Some bloody big rocks. Oops, I swore again.
Shame it's not working.
How good is this? Look at the view. Is it?
Yeah. Probably as many.
What a view, eh?
Always seem dangerous. No, I'm not about to. No.
It's a pretty good view.
I'll catch it wet. Up in the distance.
Yeah, there's no way through that.
So this is where the famous, what's his name? Captain Melville. But look out for gold convoys. Alright, so it's a lookout. We are now going to go and walk around these big rocks, have a look at the cave.
Let's see if we're there. I can't remember. I know it wasn't as in you walk in a big open air and it's
No.
new work boots.
Oh, bugger that. You never want to go anywhere with new boots, do you?
Oh, I figured out that if I didn't put up with them for about nearly a week at work, my heels were just, felt like someone smashed my heels with a hammer. That's what I freaking went to work. Okay, right?
Kind of reminds you of hanging rock, doesn't it? You could disappear quite easily.
Just don't get your arm stuck, right? To hack it off with a knife.
How the fuck would you get a horse in there?
Coronavirus.
Claustrophobic virus. Oh, I'm stuck.
Head off.
Nearly had to hack my body off. I was stuck in the rocks. Holy crap, look at that. Those rocks look like they're just about ready to fall. Holy shit.
I don't know, I think I heard it move.
I heard a rock creak. Oh, wow, look at this. Smells like someone farted in here.
Should have brought a torch. Especially here. Pour some here.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Like this is the cave?
That was it.
Yeah, I can see the attraction. Not many caves are in here.
I feel I mean, like just a hole in the rock. It wouldn't be dry or anything there, but just that rain.
Oh, so we just walked down there, back around right through that big rock, and we're back out here.
Well, there probably will come a day when you can.
How's the serenity? This is awesome.
Sent you a message. I don't realise.
Oh, so that is Melville's Caves. I will have to look up some information on that. I did look up the history of it, but it went out of my mind. It seeped out of my brain overnight. So, yeah. All right, a really nice place to visit.
Shit, I bought that many digital cameras and never freaking use them.
Me too.
Just haven't.
All right, I think we'll walk back to camp now, eh?
Not really.
You feel a cold air coming in.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be a cold night. We're up pretty high.
Nah, they don't supply bins. You got to take all
There's
your
no
luggage
bins
with you.
here.
No, you take everything with you.
All right, I am going to have some beef stock pots. I'm going to make up some dead potato for tea.
That'll be our normal as well.
Bit of shit. I think I need a bigger plate.
You better start eating.
How good is the moon looking tonight? That's awesome. It's only like 5:30 and it's already dark here. Everyone's got their campfires going. You can't actually go through there because walking track to a mine or something. So we camped up here last night, walked up to the upper picnic ground, and over here is Melville Caves, which is over there. It's a very nice picnic ground down here. Well worth a visit from Geelong or Melbourne, Bendigo, wherever you are. Yeah, lots of walking to do. Alright, now this area is actually closed off, so I'm going to go and have a look, because that's the reason I came here. And I just want to check out this lower Melville Caves area. It's pretty thick bush. Whew. It's a bit of a steep walk, but the air is so crisp and fresh. How nice is this, eh? Oh, nearly there. So this is supposedly the area where Captain Melville and his mates hung out with all the horses and stuff. Oh crap. Oh man, I had to get me breath. Alright, I better head back down. Oh yeah, it's a bit of a walk up there. If you're not fit, which I'm not very fit. Alright, I'm going to leave this video from here now. It's been a great place to visit. Highly recommended. Not too far of a drive. Only took us about 2 hours from Geelong. No, that's a lie. It probably took us about 3 hours. Yeah. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Cheers for now. Bye.